Home security starts right at your doorstep. In this guide, we present the best wireless doorbell camera, combining crystal clear video, smart alerts, and easy installation. Discover top options that enhance your home safety while offering convenience and peace of mind. Starting off our list is the Ring Wireless Doorbell Camera, a feature-packed device that brings professional-level performance right to your front door. Designed as Ring's best battery-powered doorbell camera, it comes loaded with advanced technology to keep your home safe and your monitoring experience effortless. One of the standout features is its 1536p head-to-toe HD Plus video, which expands your field of view so you can clearly see visitors, deliveries, and activity at your doorstep from top to bottom. With this upgraded resolution, you can confidently monitor every detail. Another remarkable addition is the 3D motion detection, which allows you to configure bird's eye zones up to 30 feet away. This feature maps your property from above, letting you pinpoint exactly where movement occurs and eliminating unnecessary alerts from less important areas. The enhanced low-light imaging technology ensures that visibility does not end at sundown, providing clear and colorful video even in dim environments. This makes late-night monitoring much more reliable. The doorbell also offers intelligent person and package alerts through the Ring Protect subscription service, so you are instantly notified when someone approaches or when a delivery is detected. For power, the device is equipped with a quick-release battery pack, making recharging simple and convenient without the need to uninstall the unit. To add even more convenience, the Ring doorbell camera integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa, enabling voice announcements and two-way talk on compatible Echo devices. Whether you are welcoming guests or checking on a delivery, this doorbell camera provides top-notch clarity, security, and ease of use in one sleek package. Taking the second spot is the AOSU wireless doorbell camera, a powerful and reliable option designed to deliver ultra-clear video quality and intelligent security features for your home. Equipped with a 5-megapixel ultra-high-definition lens, this doorbell camera improves image sharpness by 40% compared to standard 2K models. The inclusion of 7 advanced ultra-clear optical glass lenses ensures crisp and detailed visuals regardless of whether it is bright daylight or low-light conditions at night. This level of clarity makes it easier than ever to identify visitors or monitor your property with confidence. AOS also places a strong emphasis on motion detection accuracy. With its advanced triple motion detection system that combines radar, PIR motion sensors, and intelligent human recognition, the camera is able to distinguish between people, animals, and distant movement. This reduces false alerts and ensures that you are notified only when it really matters. For video storage, the camera connects directly to its home base with built-in 8 GB of memory, offering 60 days of loop recording without requiring cloud subscriptions. This means your footage stays private, secure, and easily accessible whenever you need to review it. Next on our list is the Google Nest Wireless Doorbell Camera, a smart and highly versatile device that blends convenience, intelligence, and seamless integration with your connected home. The Nest Doorbell is designed with built-in intelligence that allows it to distinguish between people, packages, animals, and even vehicles. This smart recognition system sends accurate alerts directly to the Google Home application without requiring any paid subscription, which makes it especially appealing for users who want reliable notifications from the very start. Offering 24/7 access, the Nest Doorbell provides live, high-definition video with HDR and night vision, ensuring sharp and vibrant footage both day and night. It also includes 3 hours of free event video history, while an optional Nest Aware subscription extends storage for up to 60 days of recorded events. One of the practical benefits of this model is its reliability even during connectivity issues. If your Wi-Fi connection drops or the power goes out, the doorbell will locally store up to 1 hour of recorded events, so you can still review important activity once service resumes. Installation is another highlight of this device, as it offers flexible options with either wire-free battery operation or a wired setup using the included connector. Regardless of which method you choose, the built-in battery ensures it is compatible with virtually any doorway. Although the battery-powered version does not support continuous 24/7 recording, it still provides robust event-based monitoring. The Google Nest Doorbell also enhances communication with visitors. At number 4, the Youkey wireless doorbell camera stands out as an excellent solution for homeowners who want advanced security features without being locked into ongoing subscription fees. The Youkey DB312 is designed with practicality in mind, offering built-in 8 GB of eMMC storage that can hold up to 60 days of recorded events at no additional cost. While optional cloud storage and backup through the Youkey Homebase are available, the included local storage ensures that you can rely on secure and private video history without worrying about monthly payments. Installation is remarkably simple and flexible, allowing you to choose between battery-powered or wired operation. With Bluetooth pairing and dual-band Wi-Fi support, including the latest Wi-Fi 6 technology, the device delivers strong connectivity and stable performance in just 30 seconds of setup. The smart detection system adds another layer of intelligence, using a combination of artificial intelligence, radar, and PIR sensors to accurately recognize humans and packages. This reduces unnecessary alerts and ensures that only relevant notifications are sent, making it a reliable option even for busy, high-traffic areas. In terms of video quality, the Youkey wireless doorbell camera offers sharp 2K resolution, wide dynamic range, and color night vision, so faces and details remain clear in both bright daylight and nighttime environments. Its dual light system further enhances visibility around the clock. Closing our list is the BOTSLAB wireless doorbell camera, a smart and innovative choice that blends wide coverage, intelligent detection, and reliable storage for complete home security. This device is equipped with an upgraded panoramic lens that offers a 180-degree golden wide-angle view, ensuring that you can monitor your doorstep from head to toe with 0 blind spots. This 50% increase in field of view breadth compared to standard designs means that whether you're checking on visitors, deliveries, or activity around your entryway, every detail is captured clearly without gaps. The BOTSLAB doorbell camera also prioritizes accurate detection through its triple motion detection system. Combining radar, PIR sensors, and advanced image recognition technology, it can precisely identify human movement and reduce false alarm rates by up to 95%. This makes it especially effective for homes located in busy neighborhoods where random motion might otherwise trigger unnecessary alerts. To provide peace of mind when it comes to video storage, the included base station features 32 GB of local storage at no additional cost. This amount of space is sufficient to meet typical event recording needs for up to 365 days, completely eliminating the burden of monthly subscription fees. Power efficiency is another highlight of this model. The built-in 6400 mAh rechargeable battery, paired with advanced low-power technology, enables the BOTSLAB doorbell to operate for as long as 180 days on a single charge. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.